Hello, welcome back to lesson 2. I hope lesson 1 was interesting. Yes, and the objective of lesson 2 says, I can compare lengths by finding objects longer than, shorter than, and equal in length to that of a string. Can you say that to yourself? I can compare lengths by finding objects longer than, shorter than, and equal in length to that of a string. Now, before we get started, I want you to make a paper strip of about 9 centimeters long. This is my paper strip. It's about 9 centimeters long. How will you go about the measurement? Place your paper on a ruler, your normal centimeter ruler, and measure 9 centimeters, 0 to 9. When you get to 9, you cut 0 to 9. This is how to measure. Have you done that? Okay. And also, get prepared your string. This is my string. Can you see my string? Yes. And my string is about 6 centimeters long. Also, make use of your centimeter ruler. Make sure you use the centimeter part of your ruler. It is written boldly there, cm, centimeter. Start from your 0 to 6. 0 to 6. 0 to 6. Yes. Now I'll give you some seconds to do that. Your string and your paper strip. The paper strip is 9 centimeters long and your string is 6 centimeters long. Let's get it ready. Get your string ready. Are you done with that? Yes. Now let's get started. This is what we have in our fluency. Happy counting by fives. Happy counting by what? Fives. We have counting by twos, counting by 10, and counting by fives. Hope you've not forgotten. Yes. Today we are going to be using counting by fives. Now look at my thumb and count up and down. Starting at 40. We are going to start at 40 this time. Alternate between counting the certain way and the regular way. So we are going to alternate them. We'll count in certain way. We'll also count in the regular way. When my thumb is up, you count up. When my thumb is down, you count down. But when my thumb is sideways, like this, you stop. Yes. Now let's go. Let's count from 40 upwards by counting in 5. Now let's count 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, good, 65, 70, 75, 80, good, 85, 90, and 95, 100. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Now, 45 is what in certain way? 4 tens, 5 ones. 50 is what in certain way? 5 tens. Good. 55 is what? 5 tens and 5 ones. And 60 is what? 6 tens. 6 tens plus 5 ones is what? 65. And 70 is what? 7 tens. 7 tens, 5 ones is 75. 80 is 8 tens. 85 is what? 8 tens, 5 ones. 90, 9 tens. 95, 9 tens, 5 ones. And 100 is what? 10 tens. Good. Now let's count downwards from 40 to 5. Let's count in 5 in regular way. 40. Now we're counting down, so my thumb has to go down. Now let's go. 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, and 5. So you have to stop. Now let's count downwards again, starting from 40. Let's count down. Now my thumb is down. Start. Yes. 30. Stop. Good. That was wonderful. That was great. Now let's go to the second fluency. Now, this is hard zero number sentence. You can call it hard zero card. You call it hard zero card because the zero is always hidden. It's always hidden. For this you're seeing, it has been separated. The zero is always under the ones. For instance, we have 10 and 5 here. 10, 5. And 10, 5 is what? 15. Good. So we're going to say the number the regular way. Say an addition sentence with 10 as an addend. With 10 as an what? As an addend. Now, with what we have here, the additional sentence will be, ten plus 10. Ten plus 5. And 10 plus 5 is what? 15. Good. We have 14. As you can see, the 0 is hiding under the 4. So that's how we call it hide zero number sentence or hide zero card. Now let's try and separate it. Yes. Here we have 10. We have 10 plus 4, which is what? 14. 14. Here we have 25. 25. How many tens do we have in 20? 2 tens. It means 10 in 2 places. So with what we have here is going to be 10. Let me pick my pen. 10 plus 10 plus 5, which is what? 25. Yes. Now let me separate it so that you can see the zero coming out. Yes. Is it this interesting? I'm enjoying it. And the next one is 35. So it will be, how many tens do we have in 30? 3 tens. So it's going to be 10 plus 10 plus 10. Then adding your ones to 8, what do you have there? 5. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5, which is what? 3 times 5 is what? 35. Good. The next one is 24. 24. 2 times 4. How many tens will you have? 2. Good. Yes. This is 34. 34. We have how many tens? 3 tens. Good. 3 tens, 4 ones, which is 34. This is what? Can you call this in certain way? What did you say? Good. 10, 6. And 10, 6 is what? 16. Now, how many tens do we have in 16? 1. Yes. As you can see, we have 1 10 and 6 ones. Let's go over to the next one. 26. 26. In 26, we have 2 ones, 2 tens, 6 ones. We have 2 tens, 6 ones. Yes. This is great. Here we have 36. Can you tell me 26 in certain way? Good. I can hear 3 tens, 6 ones. 3 tens, 6 ones is what? 36. 36. Yes, I want to find some things that are longer than or shorter than my foot. I wonder how I can make it easier. Yes, I have to look around. Here I have my ruler and my marker. I'm going to make use of my marker and my ruler. The first one says the dash is longer than my foot. So, what do you think? Is my ruler longer than my foot? Or my marker is longer than my foot? No, this can't be longer than my foot. I think my ruler is longer than my foot. So in place of my dash, I'm going to write ruler, ruler, ruler. Yes, that is my ruler. My ruler is longer than my foot. The dash is shorter than my foot. My what? My marker. Sorry. My marker is shorter than my foot. The dash is longer than the dash. So which is longer? My ruler don't mind my writing. My ruler is longer than my marker. Yes, that's my marker. Now it's your turn. You go on a scavenger hunt to find 3 items. 3 items. One that is longer than your foot, one that is shorter than your foot, and one that is about the same length as your foot. You can't use your foot. I'll give you a piece of string. Remember the string we prepared at the beginning of the class. Now we're going to make use of that. A string of about 6 centimeters long. Now can you involve mommy and daddy in this? Yes! Now can you compare your string to your foot? Is your string shorter than your foot? Is it longer than your foot? Have you done that? Now compare your object to your string as well. can compare your object to your foot. Also, is your object shorter than your foot? Now, can you give me a statement about that? Good. Right. So if I'm using my string, I want to compare my string to my foot. Of course, you know the string is shorter than my foot. Now I want to hear you say that. Compare your items to your foot. And also compare it to your string. Nice one. Application problem. Jordan has 3 stuffed animals: a giraffe, a bear, and a monkey. The giraffe is longer than the monkey. The bear is shorter than the monkey. Sketch the animals from shortest to longest to show how tall each animal is. Say we should sketch the animals from shortest to longest.